Messy caulking around your tub can totally kill the vibe, but fixing it without gutting the whole bathroom is way easier than you think. Alright, here's the deal. First, grab a utility knife or a caulk remover tool and scrape off all that old crusty caulk. You want a clean surface so the new stuff sticks right. Next, clean the area with rubbing alcohol or a mild cleaner to get rid of soap scum and oils %. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. When you're ready to apply fresh caulk, cut the tip of your caulk tube at a 45-degree angle for better control. Don't squeeze out a giant blob. Steady pressure to lay down a smooth bead is key. Here's a pro move. Instead of just finger smoothing, try using one of those rubber triangle caulk finishing tools. It helps feather the edges perfectly so the joint looks seamless, and bonus dot. The caulk won't stick to it like it does to your fingers. If you go the finger route, keep a wet rag handy to wipe off excess quickly before it dries. Lastly, let that caulk cure fully, usually 24 hours, before hitting the shower or tub. One of the biggest slip-ups when redoing caulk is not removing all the old stuff, which makes the new caulk peel off fast. Fix? Take your time scraping it all away and clean the surface well. Another common mistake is cutting the caulk tube tip too wide, leading to messy blobs that are hard to smooth out. Cut a small opening and build up if needed. Lastly, rushing the drying time causes smudges and weakens seals. Give it at least 24 hours to cure fully and avoid touching or wetting it during that time. BigHomeProjects.com is a total game changer if you're looking to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting with homeowners who actually need your skills.